Menteri Rangba Jala Meklaya Konrad Kisangma ulang basyan ke Sarkar Jala kan sedangi ke Early Childhood Development Program kaban pej benia bat simkhia ban kentiu ha kecimut ju perkhat kamat kapat bakarukom perkhat bekcinghe jingsan ju kena hapo prasnem kerta ya kan yang Menteri Rangba ola penpau bakran ha cilang Plie ke ïing bela penhe jung cakari khyllung bela pynïaid ke seng kynthei Mawlai Nonglum ha step khat neutrek kula lengkot ajar puar ulang be kum gene program pentelun lengba kum gini cakari khyllung ke seng kynthei Mawlai Nonglum lengba ke Chief Minister's Special Development Fund rap nrolak san pho jar tangka shagani ke cakari khyllung bala penhe ri kamra kaban la ban ngiam lai phongut ki khna.
You'll be happy to know that we are starting a program today. In the cabinet will be passing it. We're calling it Early Childhood Development Program. And this is a program which I think no other state has started this. And the purpose behind this program is to realize and to also focus and put stress on the fact that children grow mentally, emotionally, and in every sense between the age of 0 or between the age of 1 and 8. And therefore, early childhood development and ensuring that they are guided in the right way during that phase is very important. So this is a very unique program. We have got an externally aided funding of close to 300 crores for this program to be done. And it will be in centers like these that these programs will be taken up. So therefore, I will ensure that, and just make a note, Shan, I would request Shan to kindly make a note on this, that we make sure that this should be in the first phase. And so that we can give all the financial support and all the other kind of support that's required to make this happen. But having said that, I really would like to thank all the members who have made this possible. It is such a unique program that you are running, and something I feel other localities should learn and should also follow. So it's a great example that you have set, and I will make sure that I mention this today in our cabinet meeting also, and I make sure that we mention it whenever we launch this program at an official level, the kind of work that you're doing out here. And after seeing the kind of work that you're doing, the report that you've put up to me, let me also happily tell you that I will support you for the boundary wall or whatever is required. I don't know what the estimates are, but obviously if it's very high, then I may not be able to do it in one go. Then I will request the MDC also to support.